Good morning, dear parents and students. How are you? Hope you all must be doing fine, especially during this pandemic, and God is always by your side, helping you see through these difficult days. Okay, so I hope you must have seen my previous video about the importance of communication. If you have not done it, please click on the link above, and it will take you to that video as well. It is a very interesting video which will tell you why communication is important. Okay, coming to today's video. In today's video, I am going to introduce you to some of my senior students who are a part of high school, and they are confined to the boundaries of their homes. You will recall your time when you were asked to stay inside home by your parents, but what was the feeling that you went through? It was a very, very bad feeling that you had to go through, right? So you are not getting to interact with your friends, you are not getting to interact with your teachers, you are not going to school, you are not going out. Staying at home is actually a very, very difficult task. So what I have done is that I thought, why not start an online communication class wherein everything will be very, very live and interactive. By live and interactive, I mean you always have to keep your camera switched on, you always have to keep your audio switched on. You don't have to be on mute. You can eat in the class, you can jump in the class, you can talk to your friends, you can do whatever you want to. But at the same time, we also do it in a very, very systematic manner. Most of the time what happens is there is a huge gap left between the teachers and the students, wherein the students hesitate a lot, especially during the online school classes. I have seen, in fact my kids also are in school, and I have seen them, how cumbersome it is for them, that they are sitting like a robot in front of the camera, doing nothing, saying nothing. So why not scrub all of that and start a class wherein you can talk your hearts out. So here is what some of the senior high school students had to say about the class that they are attending.
My name is Divya. I'm in class 9th in Kendra Vidyalaya Jyotipuram, Riyasi, Jammu Kashmir. I learned communication in Mac Vidya Mandir. Due to online classes, I was unable to interact with my classmates and my teachers.
I am Shreya Sarvis. I study in class 9C in Kendra Vidyalaya number 1, Faridabad, sector 20. I learned communication at Make Vidya Mandir.
My name is Pratik Das. I study in 8th class in Kendra Vidyalaya Jyotipuram. I learn communication at Mek Vidya Mandir.
I study in 8th class in Modern Delhi Public School. Due to this pandemic, going out there, I was missing that interaction between friends and teachers.
I am Mank. I read in class 8th A in Kendra Vidyalaya Jyotipuram. It is in Riyasi, JNK.
I was missing my school classes.
I was unable to interact with my teachers and friends because of lockdown, and I was also missing my school classes.
Due to lockdown, our schools are closed, so I was unable to interact with my teachers, friends, and missing my school class.
Since the lockdown has started, I was thinking that it will because we did not have to go to school, but I was wrong. I was missing my friends and teachers because I cannot communicate with them.
I started this class 4 months back. In the first month, we studied a lot of things, but the main thing was debate. We did a lot of debate so that Sir can understand how much English we knew from the starting. In the second month, we had a lot of discussions, brainstorming, role play, one-on-one debate, etc. And right now we are studying grammar. The grammar portion is almost done. We have did a lot of things like prepositions, nouns,
I started here about 9 months back. Here I get to talk a lot with my friends and have also improved upon my grammar. For a few months we had done some debate, and currently we are doing grammar. In grammar we have done noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, etc. For me it is very useful class because here I get to know how to interact with others and how to speak without hesitation.
But then I joined communication classes at Make Vidya Mandir about 6 months back, and then here I get to interact, debate, and to learn about grammar. Previously I fumbled while speaking, but now I improved a lot and know about the correct use of grammar.
And I was also lacking in my communication skills. Then I got to know about Make Vidya Mandir. It organizes a communication class which help us to communicate in English. Me and my all friends are having the class and having fun in lockdown. I started communication class 4 months ago, and since then I am improved in my pronunciation, in my vocabulary, in my writing, and in grammar, and it helped me to build confidence to speak in English.
I joined these classes 4 months back, and I was really glad that I joined these classes because I see a very big improvement in myself and in my communication. We really enjoy these classes because of these activities like debate, presentation, and brainstorming. The big point of these classes is that we didn't feel pressure of study in these classes, and I was really glad that I joined these classes.
Well, so you must have heard to what the students had to say about the classes that are going on at Make Vidya Mandir. I would also like to say that in today's world, it is very difficult for the parents to keep the students away from the social media. And when I talk about the social media, I don't mean that we refer only to the good things of social media, but rather there are many things you cannot control the contents of the social media. So how do the students utilize their time constructively? In our class, we have got various brainstorming sessions as well, wherein the kids have to go deep dive into any subject matter and they must know what exactly is going on around them. This helps increase their IQ level, it helps increase their general knowledge, and it also helps them keep themselves abreast with the actual real world scenarios that is happening all around them. Otherwise, kids spend most of their time making some TikTok videos or uploading some useless videos which does not make any sense at the end of the day. So why not involve the kids in such a scenario, in such a situation wherein they get to understand all those things which I just explained. In our class, we also take care that we don't stick to a time of, let's say, 1 hour or 1.5 hours. If the discussion is going on, we ensure that we do not interrupt the discussion, and till the time the discussion gets over, we do not finish the class. So the kids, till the time the kids get exhausted by speaking a lot, speaking everything that comes to their mind, whether it is, it is as simple as that no idea is a bad idea. So whatever ideas come to their mind, they put it in the discussion, and definitely at the end of the discussion we also have a question and answer session that, okay, why did you ask this, why did you say this, how did you reach this data point, how did you reach this conclusion. So the kids get to think that, okay, if they speak this, they'll have to answer 10 different questions. So they ultimately get into a logical frame of mind. And once the kid gets into a logical frame of mind, it is really very, very easy for the kids to assess any situation at a further point of time. Also, going ahead, the future is going to belong to those who can communicate and convey their ideas effectively. Most of the time the kids are not able to do so. So our class also aims at improving the IQ level and the speaking power of the students. If you have any further queries, please feel free to drop a mail on the below mentioned mail ID, or you can contact at the given numbers. Our numbers are open 24/7, and please feel free to get in touch with us. Please like our video and please get enrolled for a better for your kids. Please enroll yourself for your communication skills to improve. It is not limited to a particular age group. I also undertake trainings for working professionals. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye.